Hello, hello. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. My name is Terria. I teach aspiring providers how to start a licensed facility based adult day program serving adults with intellectual disability. So today I want to talk about done for you service versus a step by step strategy with coaching. So I have, people asking me, I need help, but I'm not for sure who to reach out to. What type of services are good for me? So I want to talk about it a little bit. You got two type of services. You can hire somebody that can do all the work for you. With the license and application process, policy and procedures, all that good stuff. Or you can have somebody teach you a step by step strategy with coaching, So you just have to figure out what's best for you. So, somebody that's going to teach you or somebody that's going to do everything for you, it sounds great. You have to do absolutely nothing. How great is that? But it may not be so great. So if you decide to hire somebody to do all of your policy and procedures, that match your state standards and it's all done. That could be good and easy to start with, but how the heck are you going to know how to make changes when changes come about? So be mindful. Policy and procedures, state updating things are always changing, and you are going to be responsible for updating those policy and procedures. You are going to be responsible for creating new policy and procedures if they come up, unless you're going to continue to hire somebody out and just dish out money to do this every time the state has to update a policy and procedure. And trust me, it's often. This is a business that's forever adding, forever changing. So you'll constantly be updating policy and procedures, changing policy and procedures to make sure you're in alignment with state standards. Another thing, you are the one that's going to have to set these standards for your employees that you hire. All these policy and procedures, you have to know like the back of your hand because you are the one that's going to have to implement these policy and procedures. Ensure that you hire staff that are in alignment with these policy and procedures. Ensure that you have staff that follow these policy and procedures. Ensure that you train your staff on these policy and procedures. So it's best to just be knowledgeable of your policy and procedures. It's best just to have somebody teach you so you have the upper hand, you have the knowledge, you have the ability to do it whenever it needs to be done in your agency. And if you need to hire somebody within your agency to take on that role when you eventually grow, you can be the one to teach them because you have become an expert in that area. I'm a strong believer if you start a business, it's best that you become an expert in knowing every part of your agency and not setting yourself apart and allowing somebody to have the upper hand of your agency and take on that role and you having absolutely no knowledge. Because if that person was to leave tomorrow, it's on you. Is your business going to fall apart if that person leaves tomorrow? You need to have this information. You need to be knowledgeable of every single part of your business, not just policy and procedures, but the financial aspect. You may not be a numbers person, but you still need to be knowledgeable of your numbers, of certain numbers, your revenue, your profit, your growth, like how the numbers are looking as far as the number of participants and your revenue goal. Like you need to have hands in all of this. So that goes into the second part, having somebody do it for you, having them do the financial projection, having them do all the accounting aspects. You need to know this stuff. You need to make sure if your numbers need to change, you can adjust your projection as suitable, to fit and be in alignment with your new projection, your new revenue goal, your new profit goals. You need to know, how many individuals need to be added to reach that goal. It's so important that you arm yourself with the knowledge that you need to run your business. So I'm a strong believer to make sure when you're starting, you go with that coach, that step-by-step coaching strategy, so somebody can teach you the right way so that you are okay once your business gets up and going and you don't have to depend on people coming in and helping you figure out the ins and outs of your business, you're already equipped with the knowledge of operating your business, making sure you hire and train the staff to operate your business the way you set it up to be operated. Not having somebody just come in and operate your business any way they feel is suitable and fit for you. And that is not what you had in mind. That was not your vision. And it's just not in alignment where you were trying to take your business. It doesn't meet your revenue goals. So, like I said, you got your do it for you service or your step-by-step coaching strategy. You decide what's best for you. You decide what's going to be best for your business in the long run. So if this was helpful and you need support, a step-by-step strategy and helping you start your adult day program, I will attach a link below. Apply. Let's chat. Let's see if my program is a good fit for you. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's not a done for you service. I am a strong believer in teaching you how to run your business the right way so you can be equipped to go beyond your revenue goals. So if you are somebody that's looking to start an adult day program by way of a step-by-step coaching strategy, reach out to me. I would love to chat with you. I would love to see if this program is a good fit for you. All right, talk to you guys next time. Bye.